Current Affairs Headlines. Nigeria Amina Mohammed named UN Deputy Secretary General. Forbes ranks PM Modi 9th among world's 10 most powerful people. Planet's least developed countries falling further behind. Union Cabinet approved Major Port Trust Authorities Bill 2016. Madonna's biopic voted as Best Unproduced Script of 2016. Rajya Sabha passed Rights of Persons with Disabilities Bill 2014. Donald Trump appointed PepsiCo CEO Indra Nooyi to Strategic and Policy Forum. Current affairs in detail. Nigeria's Amina Mohammed named UN Deputy Secretary General. Amina Mohammed is Nigeria's Environment Minister. She was the UN Secretary General Ban Ki-moon's Special Advisor on post-2015 development planning. The UN Deputy Secretary General is the Deputy to the Secretary General of the United Nations. Forbes ranks PM Modi 9th among world's 10 most powerful people. The magazine's annual list of world's most powerful people was released on 14 December 2016. The list was topped by Russian President Vladimir Putin for the fourth straight year. President-elect of the US, Donald Trump, ranked second, while German Chancellor Angela Merkel ranked third. Planet's least developed countries falling further behind. UNCTAD's annual report revealed that only 4 countries have graduated from UN's list of least developed countries since past 45 years. The remaining countries would require more aid and favorable trade deals to break away from the list. The list currently includes 24 African countries, 9 Asian countries, 4 from the Pacific region, and Haiti. Union Cabinet approved Major Port Trust Authorities Bill 2016. The bill replaces the Major Port Trust Act 1963. Its objective is to improve the efficiency of major port in India. It will be achieved by giving greater autonomy to the ports authorities. Madonna's biopic voted as Best Unproduced Script of 2016. Her biopic, Blonde Ambition, topped the list of 73 scripts. It got 48 votes in the newly published annual Blacklist. The Blonde Ambition is written by Elise Hollander. Rajya Sabha passed Rights of Persons with Disabilities Bill 2014. It deals with a range of issues, rights, social protection, reservation, welfare schemes. It identifies 19 conditions as disabilities against the 7 disabilities identified by the existing Act. It says that persons with at least 40% of a disability will be entitled to reservations. Donald Trump appointed PepsiCo CEO Indra Nooyi to Strategic and Policy Forum. Nooyi will advise Trump on policy measures to improve job opportunities and productivity. Trump announced the formation of the forum on 11 December 2016. Trump will be sworn in as the 45th President of the USA on 20th January 2017. For more on current affairs, log on to jagranjosh.com.